Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add Reddit to your dock on Mac, so you can open it anytime just like a native app. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open Safari. You can do this by clicking the Safari icon in your dock, or by using Spotlight Search. Just press Command plus space, type Safari, and hit Enter. Once Safari is open, head over to reddit.com and log into your account if needed. Now go to the top left of your screen, click File in the menu bar, and select Add to Dock. A small window will pop up asking you to name the shortcut. You can keep it as Reddit, or rename it to something else if you prefer. Then click Add, and just like that, you'll see Reddit in your dock, right next to your other apps. The best part? When you click on the Reddit icon, it opens in a separate app-like window, completely independent of Safari. You can even close Safari, and Reddit will stay open on its own, just like a real app. And that's it. You now have Reddit added to your Mac dock for fast, one-click access. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy Mac tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.